Hi, third graders. Today's response to reading goes with the story, The Paperboy. For your response to reading, you're going to imagine yourself as a paper boy or a paper girl, and you're going to write a paragraph, at least 5 sentences, telling what it would be like. What would you do? What would you see? How would you feel? Think about your 5 senses and the things that you would experience with your 5 senses as you're writing your sentences. Here's an example of a paragraph if you were a mailman. So it says, I think it would be fun to be a mailman. I would deliver mail and packages throughout the day and get a chance to meet and talk to a lot of different people. As I drive from house to house, I would see people outside working and playing in their yards. I would also see lots of cute puppies to pet. Seeing these people and puppies would make me excited. As the day goes on, I might start to feel a little tired because driving around all day would wear me out. Overall, it would be a great day. I will be ready to go home and get some rest so I can do it all over again tomorrow. So that's an example of a paragraph about being a mailman. Your job will be to write a paragraph about you being a paper boy or a paper girl. Make sure that you submit this back to your teacher when you're finished.